we'll guide you through how to make a GitHub account. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, open up a web browser and then you need to go and search for GitHub, just like so, and go to github.com. Next, head to the top right and go and click on sign up like so. And then it'll go and say welcome to GitHub, and you need to go and enter in your email. After you've done that, go and click on continue, and you then need to go and create a password. After you've done that, click on next like so, and you then need to choose a username. After you've entered it, go and click on continue just like so, and you can choose if you wish to receive product updates and announcements. I won't though, so I'll just press continue. And then what you need to do is do this verification. I've now done that and I passed it. And then all you need to do is click on create account at the bottom, and just like that, we've now gone and done it. Now all we need to do is enter in the code which was sent to our email. I entered the code, and then what you can do is just go and quickly set up your account. It shouldn't take too long. For now, I'll go and use the free version, so I'll click on continue for free, and that's it. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.